In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your missing Google app. If in one way or another you had disabled this app or uninstalled it, then you can restore the app by enabling it. Sometimes when Google app is disabled on your Android smartphone, this might cause other system apps to malfunction. To fix this, we need to find the Google app and enable it. Since we can't find it under our apps, the only way to find it is to look or search for the app under Google Play Store. So go to Play Store and under search, just search for Google app like that. And I'll run the search. And as you can see, our Google app is here. As you can see under it, it is installed. However, I can't find it on my apps. This means it is disabled. To enable it, tap on it to open. And then you can see we have this option to enable it. Now tap on enable, and now our app is enabled. You can see we have an option to open it straight from here. This means if I go back to my apps, now I should be able to find it. Let's go and see. Now if I scroll down, now look at that, we have our Google app here. I can now proceed and tap on it to open and start using it. So that's how you can enable missing Google app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.